Hey guys, welcome. It's Jenny at Cabbage Patch Rescue. I got some Cabbie Mail today and I wanted to bring you along because I know I love watching everybody else's Cabbie Mail videos. So, did you know that some people like to collect Cabbage Patch Dolls as a memorial, like a way to think of someone? So that's what I do. Mostly the Cabbage Patch Dolls I get look like someone that I love, and it's just a nice way for me to see them around. So I did go ahead and cut the bubble wrap off of this box, but we're going to look at them together. Okay, it says thank you for your purchase, 45 Global. I bought these babies off of eBay, so that was really nice. Still in the box, brand new, been waiting on me for almost 40 years. Look at these twins. I used to have foster babies, a little boy and a little girl, and they were only about 10 months apart. So this really looks like them. They were of Hispanic descent, and I just love them, and I miss them. I don't get to see them all the time. So he's Mickey Torin. Still, this birth certificate is sealed, guys. Like, here's still the glue. It must have fallen down. Where's hers at? Hers is still glued in. Like, they are original. Beautiful tan skin. They have the curly loop, and it's like auburn. It looked brown in the pictures, but it's even more perfect. It's got a little bit of red to it. They both have brown eyes, just like they did, and I just love them. So now I'll get to see them around a little bit. Look at this box. Cabbage Patch Kids twins are twice as nice. That's a cute picture. This is a Calico box. So this is the first company that ever made the Cabbage Patch twins. Twins are twice as nice. Thank you for adopting me and my twin. If you take care of us, we'll always love you. You're adorable. That's nice. Okay. I just love them. Let's see. Have they been out? Guys, they are still attached. They have never even been out of here. But that's gonna change. Still have their tags. Oh my gosh, these must be the most special ones I have in my collection now. Oh gosh. They've been in this box for 40 years. Like, do I take them out? Do I leave them in here? Oh. These were originally $59.97 from Toy Wizard. That would have been a lot of money back in 1985. Looks like he's one of the ones that can hold something. I don't have any other ones like that. Get it a little closer so you can see. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna take them out of the box. You might as well be here for it. I've heard that you should take them out from the bottom. Lost some paper. There's definitely some dust down here. Sliding out. I'm a little bit guilty, like somebody was saving this for somebody special. I guess that's me. It's being saved for me. Box. I'm doing the twist ties here. Part of it was held in by a rubber band that has disintegrated. I guess it probably served its time though. Oh my gosh, look at the dust bunnies. Oh, they need cleaned up. I'll give them a bath. They don't have any stains though. Like they're totally clean. I guess the back of their shoes are a little bit gummy. But you would be too if you'd been sitting there for 40 years, I guess. Her little hat. Oh, she's got a little tooth. She's a head mold. Actually, I don't see her head mold number. Oh, maybe it's 4? I don't know, I can't tell. That's what the back of him looks like. He is so cute. This is like crushed velvet. They are so cute. I love them. All right, well. Bye-bye for now.